longer flight is longer. This is the new AGR B100 Pro Plus Long Endurance Drone. It can fly for 30 minutes with a payload of 40 kilograms. The energy system has been comprehensively upgraded. The enclosed battery compartment can carry 2 solid-state batteries. Endurance and long-range transportation capabilities have been greatly improved. Unlock further flight range. Speed up to 20 meters per second. High-strength fuselage with lower folding arm. Small size, easy to transport. Open quickly and take off. Large mounting space under the B100P Plus body. It can be mounted with equipment such as cable drop device, firebomb, and loudspeaker. Achieve multi-purpose. There is also a large space platform above the fuselage. Available with HD remote control. Dual light infrared camera, HD camera. It is suitable for long-distance flight missions with heavy loads. Multi-purpose, long endurance. This is the B100P Plus UAV.